Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get stash house safe codes. First, you need to locate a stash house on your map. Once inside, your primary goal is to find the hidden clues that reveal the safe combination. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring you can quickly access the valuable contents without unnecessary hassle. To find the code, carefully search the stash house for small, glowing notes or interactive items. These are usually found on kitchen counters, bedroom dressers, or even pinned to walls. Each note will contain a single digit, which is a part of the 3-digit safe code. Pay close attention to your surroundings. Once you have collected all 3 digits, you'll need to arrange them in the correct sequence. The game usually provides a subtle hint about the order, or you might need to try a few permutations. The safe code is always a 3-digit number. Head to the safe and input the combination you've deciphered. With the correct 3-digit code entered, the safe will open, revealing its contents. You can then collect all the cash, weapons, and other valuable items stored inside. This easy method ensures you can efficiently clear out stash houses and maximize your earnings without any guesswork or wasted time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.